The narrative explores the remarkable journey of a renowned entrepreneur, Robert Kiyosaki, exemplifying the transformative power of perseverance amidst adversity. Kiyosaki, a distinguished figure in the realm of business and authorship, rose from humble beginnings to amass a substantial fortune, offering an inspiring testament to the potential for individual success. Welcome to the Mind Building Channel, your go-to destination for sculpting an unbreakable mindset and unlocking the secrets to success. Join us as we delve into life lessons, extract wisdom from summary books, and explore the transformative power of a strong money mindset. Through inspiring stories of success, we aim to empower you to reach your full potential. If you're ready to embark on a journey of personal growth and development, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, let's build minds that are resilient, adaptable, and primed for success. Don't miss out, subscribe now. Born in Hawaii in 1947 to modest means, Robert Kiyosaki embarked on a trajectory that would ultimately redefine his circumstances and legacy. Following his graduation from university in 1969, Kiyosaki served with distinction as a helicopter pilot in the Vietnam War, earning commendation for his valorous contributions. Upon his return to the United States, Kiyosaki transitioned to civilian life, initially finding employment as a sales representative at Xerox. Despite the stability afforded by his position, Kiyosaki remained resolute in his pursuit of entrepreneurial autonomy, recognizing that true wealth lay beyond the confines of traditional employment. In 1977, Kiyosaki embarked on his inaugural venture, establishing a business centered on the sale of wallets. Undeterred by the challenges inherent in entrepreneurship, Kiyosaki invested his savings into the enterprise, endeavoring to carve a niche in the market. Regrettably, the venture proved unsustainable, as the compromised quality of the products precipitated its eventual closure. Undeterred by this setback, Kiyosaki ventured into a new endeavor in 1980, capitalizing on the burgeoning popularity of hard rock music by launching a venture focused on the sale of themed apparel. However, despite his strategic acumen, the venture faltered due to shifting market dynamics, resulting in financial strain and personal hardship. Forced to confront the grim reality of homelessness, Kiyosaki found himself at a crossroads, grappling with the profound implications of his entrepreneurial pursuits. Yet, from the crucible of adversity emerged a renewed sense of determination and resilience. Undeterred by his setbacks, Kiyosaki embraced the invaluable lessons garnered from his experiences, recognizing that failure served not as a deterrent but as a catalyst for growth. Armed with newfound insight and unwavering resolve, Kiyosaki embarked on a transformative journey of self-discovery, charting a course that would ultimately propel him to unprecedented heights of success. Through perseverance and tenacity, Kiyosaki transcended the confines of his circumstances, ascending to prominence as one of the preeminent figures in the realm of business and finance. His remarkable journey stands as a testament to the indomitable human spirit, underscoring the profound capacity for individual agency and achievement. Following his resilience and refusal to succumb to failure, Robert Kiyosaki embarked on a transformative journey that would ultimately redefine his fortunes. In 1985, he co-founded the Institute for Distinguished Education, a pivotal step towards sharing his entrepreneurial insights and empowering others to navigate the path to success. Expanding his ventures, Kiyosaki delved into stock investments and real estate acquisitions, gradually augmenting his wealth. Kiyosaki's trajectory reached new heights with the publication of his seminal works. His 1992 book, If You Want to Be Rich, Don't Go to School, offered a candid account of his personal journey and resilience in the face of adversity. However, it was his 2000 release, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, that catapulted him to global renown. Revered as a cornerstone of entrepreneurship literature, the book imparted invaluable principles and strategies for wealth accumulation, achieving unprecedented sales figures and cementing Kiyosaki's status as a luminary in the field. Buoyed by his literary success, Kiyosaki expanded his portfolio further, venturing into diverse enterprises such as acquiring a silver mine in South America and establishing a mining company in China by 2002. These strategic endeavors propelled him into the echelons of billionaire status, a testament to his unwavering determination and resilience in the face of adversity. In 2010, Kiyosaki publicly disclosed his extensive portfolio of properties and assets amassed through astute investments, underscoring the culmination of his remarkable journey from adversity to unparalleled success. Extracting insights from Robert Kiyosaki's remarkable journey, which saw him transition from homelessness to entrepreneurship and the ownership of significant commercial ventures like a silver mine and a mining company, provides invaluable lessons for aspiring individuals. Through his narrative, several fundamental principles emerge. 1. Prioritize product quality. Kiyosaki's initial setback underscores the critical importance of prioritizing product quality. Ensuring excellence in offerings remains paramount to sustain success. 2. Strategic timing and targeting. Selecting the right industry, timing, and audience are pivotal factors in launching a successful venture. Strategic alignment with market dynamics enhances prospects for long-term viability. 3. Understand product lifecycle. Comprehensive comprehension of a product's lifecycle, including trends and stage analysis, informs prudent decision-making. Avoiding ventures with products at saturation points mitigates risks of obsolescence. 4. Cultivate persistence. Persistence in the face of adversity is integral to achieving entrepreneurial objectives. Embracing resilience and perseverance facilitates progress despite challenges. 5. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Viewing failure as an inevitable aspect of the journey underscores its transformative potential. Believing in one's abilities and maintaining steadfast determination are key to eventual success. 6. Initiate action and maintain momentum. Success is often predicated on taking that initial step and consistently progressing. Embracing the notion that success is a journey fueled by ongoing efforts reinforces the pursuit of ambitious goals. These lessons, distilled from Kiyosaki's experiences, offer a roadmap for aspiring entrepreneurs navigating the complexities of business endeavors. By internalizing these principles, individuals can cultivate a mindset conducive to sustainable growth and achievement in their entrepreneurial pursuits. Welcome to Mind Building, your go-to destination for sculpting an unbreakable mindset and unlocking the secrets to success. Join us as we delve into life lessons, extract wisdom from summary books, and explore the transformative power of a strong money mindset. Through inspiring stories of success, we aim to empower you to reach your full potential. If you're ready to embark on a journey of personal growth and development, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, let's build minds that are resilient, adaptable, and primed for success. Don't miss out, subscribe now.